GANJA, 84 counts, 1 wall, intermediate, advanced level. Weight on the left. Section 1. Diagonal touch side, behind side 1/8 forward, facing 10:30. 1/8 border focal, cross, now facing 9 o'clock. Side with sweep, behind quarter forward, facing 6. Section 2. To walk, right, left, right mumble, left back rock, recover, chase half turn, step, half step, facing 12. Count section 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Slow rocking chair with arm in dancing pose. Forward rock, back rock. Make a quick 3/8 side together. Now facing 7:30. To walk, right, left. Step, lock, step forward with up, up, down, down. Section 4. Forward, pivot, half, facing 1:30. Half back, back to 7:30. 3 bachata, back press, back press, back press. Behind 1/8 side, now square up to 6. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 5. 3/4 samba diamond. Cross, back, back, facing 7:30. Behind, forward, forward, 10:30. Cross, back, back, 1:30. Behind 1/8 side, cross, facing 3. Section 6. 2 samba basic. Side, back rock, side, back rock. Right foot, cross rock, side rock. Jazz box quarter cross. Cross, quarter back, side, cross. Now facing 6. Count section 5 and 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 7. Side right with hip rolls. Recover to left. Behind side cross. Side left with hip rolls. Recover right. Behind quarter forward. Forward. Now facing 9. Section 8. Mumble back sweep. Behind side cross. Samba whisk. Side back rock. Side behind quarter forward. Facing 6. Count section 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 9. 3/4 chug. Chug, chug, chug. Quarter stomp. Left sailor step. Behind quarter forward. Touch. Same time slap both hands on right thigh. Section 10. 2 hip roll and slowly drag hands upwards. Hip roll, hip roll. Forward with sweep, weave, crawl, side, behind, sweep. Behind, quarter. Now facing 12. Section 11. Step on right and make a big hip roll clockwise. Make 2 quick hip roll clockwise. Touch right, and start the dance again. Count section 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and start again. Whole dance count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and start again.